Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for a fantastic smartphone that can seriously challenge an iPhone on a budget? If so, your search is about to end, because Nokia is bringing a phenomenal smartphone that's set to shake up the market. Yep, we're talking about the Nokia Champion Max 5G. This phone is rumored to come with a DSLR-like 400-megapixel camera, all at a super affordable price. So, if you're thinking about getting this phone, you'll want to stick around until the very end of this video. Today, we're diving deep into the full features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So let's get started. Features of the Nokia Champion Max 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The phone is said to feature a 6.76-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. And this isn't just any screen, it comes with a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, which will make gaming and scrolling feel incredibly fluid. Plus, it includes an in-display fingerprint sensor and the tough protection of Corning Gorilla Glass armor. Camera setup. Now for the star of the show, the camera. Friends, this phone is poised to blow the iPhone out of the water in the camera department. It's rumored to have a quad camera setup on the back, with a massive 400-megapixel main sensor. It also reportedly has a 100-megapixel and 250-megapixel camera to go with it. For all you selfie lovers, there's a 64-megapixel front-facing camera, to make sure every selfie is absolutely perfect. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is expected to pack the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. With this powerhouse, you'll be able to handle heavy gaming and multitasking without any lag. And as for the operating system, it's rumored to run on the latest Android 16. Battery backup. Let's talk battery life. This phone is said to come with a mighty 7500 mAh battery. It also features 100-watt super fast charging, and a USB Type-C Gen 2 charging port, so your phone will charge up in the blink of an eye. Price and launch date. Finally, the most important part, the price and launch date. It's expected that this smartphone will be priced around $710. However, there's been no official announcement regarding the launch date yet.